All right, working on the trunk latch. I took this off 26, 27 years ago, and I have no idea how to put it back on. So I got some directions I'm going to go through it real quick. But here's my the latch itself. That's the latch, and this goes on the trunk that locks onto, and all the parts. So probably I'll get that cleaned up, all the nuts and bolts. I haven't touched this yet. I have a new key, so we'll swap that out, put a new key in there and get this cleaned up. So let's do that first, and then I'll show you the trunk for now. There's that there, and there. Okay. All right. I normally wasn't going to put this on for now, but I've been trying to drive it once a week, and I'm getting tired of getting a rope and tying the hood down. So I'm going to put the latch on. So let me get this stuff cleaned up. All right, so working on the trunk latch. So I was able to print this, I don't know, a couple years ago, just so I can have everything handy. So I mean, I can probably provide this online if you guys want. I can post it. It gives you decent directions. Anyway, so I bought a new key lock, and it came with a little kit. So I'm going to swap out the keys, those little drives. So the new one, see, it only has one notch on it. The original has two. So I'm going to put the original on the new lock. And there's a spring on here, so don't take that spring off. It's nice and tight. All right, so it's wound. All you need to do is take this and pry that off. Okay, wiggle it out. Okay, like that. Okay. And then we'll put this one in the new. Presto. All right, and then give that a good wipe. All right, and then it comes with a clip and a new seal. It's a hard plastic one. I still have the original. I think I have one of these somewhere in my paint kit that I bought years ago, so I'll look for that. This is the seal between the lock and the body of the car. All right. Okay, so I found my seal. So this is a new one I bought a while back. Here is the original, and this is what they give you in the package. This one here, the one in the package, is like a hard plastic. The original is it's beaten up, cracked, but it's almost twice as thick as this one here I bought. So we'll put that one in, and then for the install, okay, so we'll do the install, but I'm going to show you here real quick. All right, this is the bottom. Okay, here's the top. So it goes in like that. All right, so you put your seal on. Okay, and it's clear where it lines up. You've got two little notches that the seal goes around. Okay. And then you put this in the hole in the back of the panel. Okay. This goes in, this goes through it like that. And that locks on. Like that. So this is inside the trunk. All right. Once you go. All right. And then this screws down. And then the actual latch itself. Pretty self-explanatory when we get in there. So let's do that. All right, let's do the latch first. All right. So we got one side. This is the back side. This faces the back of the car. And this side faces the front. All right. Okay. That just lines up like that. Okay. I got 3 bolts there. All right, there we go. So we're going to leave it just loose enough so that we can move it back and forth. There's a little bit of play you can have in there, so just leave it a tad loose. And then once you get everything in position, then you can tighten it. And then let's get that piece on. I don't know the names of some of the stuff, the names of the pieces. Like that. All right. Take those nuts off. We'll get that in. All right, get that in. So we're gonna leave this tad loose too as well, just so that we can make some adjustments as we put the rest in, and I'll explain that. Now the key. All right, I'm having a hard time putting the camera in the right position so you guys can see what I'm doing, but. If it looks like I'm missing something, I'll move the camera and show you what I'm doing. So I've got my key, all right, and seal. Okay, and I've got that bracket. Okay, and the bracket goes like this. Okay, see in there, and then you got a hole right there. So you screw a hole where your thumb is, and you got a hole right there. Okay, that screws in there with a hole with a little small screw there. Okay, so you put the key in and hold this at the same time so the key goes through this hole. This, okay, I got my bracket, so I'll put my bracket in position like I showed you. Now you just got to go in through here first. Don't forget it. It goes in like this, okay, and then you slide that bracket in to lock it in position. And it goes behind these notches. So in like this, okay, and you slide that bracket in like that. Okay. And again, bottom, top. Okay, and then as your key comes in, you gotta stick it in it. Oh, I didn't show you that either. Ugh. Okay, as you put the key in, okay, and there's your lock right there, okay. And you'll see it won't go all the way through, it'll just barely show its face. Like that, okay. Better angle, all right. See how it's loose, and now we gotta slide it in the notch behind the notch. And this is where I get. All right, so I might have to find something to push on this part here to get to lock in. I can't hammer on this side over here. I'll bend it. I'm wiggling it back and forth just enough. I've got like a 1/4 inch to go. All right, here we go. You can see it. So again, there we go. Okay, and then our screw. goes in right there. There you go. All right, and then see how we're still moving this back and forth. Okay, so you want this rod here to be straight. Okay, once that's straight, because there's no adjustment up and down for this. That's what this is for. All right, so now we've got the back and forth. Our key is in, rod is straight. Then we'll get these tightened up. Okay, here we go. And then for you enthusiasts, you notice that that latch is not painted. So usually this latch is on when they do the trunk. All right, so you'll see the gray and the speckles on the latch itself. So I may come in later and do that, tape this area off, do a quick gray spray on it, and then get the speckle on it and go that route. Okay, now we've got this part here. Let's test our latch. Okay, make sure it works. Let's get our key. All right, for keys, it's going to be your oval one. Okay, we just push down on this to lock it and test it. Okay, it's got a good solid pop up to it. I put some oil on it. Test a couple times. Okay. All right, and then for this here, what we'll do is kind of test it. You got to be able to push it in. Right now it's all the way out, extended all the way out. I did not take pictures of the latch on its position. I believe it was kind of about halfway in. So that's what I'm going to do for now. And then what you do is, right now I got my bumpers on, okay? So make sure you get your bumpers on. What you do is you gotta position it. I'm gonna do about halfway, half the distance of the slide here. So about right there, okay? Give it a little tight, shut it, and if it shuts clean, I'm good. Now, I'm doing mine early because I don't have any of my weather sealing in. Okay, so right now I'm putting this in just so to keep the trunk shut while I'm temporarily driving it until I can finish it. So when you put your weather sealing in, weather strip, it's going to close different and seal differently. So for now, that's how I'm doing it. I've just got my bumpers on right now. All right, no seal on it yet. So when I close it, I'll put some foam in there just to keep it from rattling and scratching the paint if it goes too far. So that's what I'm doing, and that's why it's like it right now. Okay, so that's the position I have it in now. And again, it's like about halfway. Okay, I got my, make sure I have my key out, and my key is not in the trunk. It's not, it's right there. Okay, so we'll go down. Okay, so it's not latching. I can hear it hit it. There's the latch. Okay, you can tell it's not quite level here, so make sure it's level when you go down in there. Okay, so it's closing and locking on this side. Okay, so it hits the latch and then locks on this side. All right, so we'll bring it, so we're gonna bring that down. All right, so it's down a little bit more. Let's see if that worked. Nope, you know what? I'm gonna bring it all the way down first. All right, so it's all the way down. There we go. Okay, so we got a little bit of play. See here. Okay, so I'll continue adjusting, but that's how you do it. So it looks like initially bring it all the way down first and then close it. Mine's only kind of loose because I don't have, again, no weather stripping. So I mean, I've probably got like maybe a 1/4 inch, if that. So grab our key. Presto. Okay, so I'll keep working on it. All right, I think I got it. A little bit of grease on that sucker. Okay, that's it. Okay, there's no play in it. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's the key latch. There's so much more to do on this, but that's it, guys, for the key.